Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Sierra Chart Chartbook. In this walkthrough, we'll open a sample chartbook so you can see how a complete workspace loads in just a few clicks. A chartbook in Sierra Chart is essentially a saved workspace that can include multiple charts, studies, and layouts. Opening one is a quick way to get a ready-made environment without building everything from scratch. Start by launching the Sierra Chart desktop application. Give it a moment to load your default workspace. Depending on your setup, the platform may briefly check connections or update data in the background. That's normal, and you don't need to do anything else while it initializes. Once the platform is open, move to the top left of the window and click File. This is your hub for creating, saving, and loading workspaces. If your window is maximized and you don't immediately see the menu bar, hover your cursor at the very top edge of the screen to reveal it. The File menu is where Sierra Chart groups all the chartbook options, so you're in the right place. From the File menu, choose Open Chartbook. This option specifically loads a chartbook, which is different from simply opening an individual file. When you select it, a system dialog will appear so you can browse your chartbooks folder. By default, Sierra Chart stores chartbooks in its application directory, and the files typically use the .cht extension. If your list looks empty, check the file type dropdown at the bottom of the dialog and make sure it's filtering for chartbook files. In the list of files, locate the sample file provided with your installation. Selecting a sample is a great way to preview how Sierra Chart organizes multiple charts within a single workspace. You can usually identify it by its name and the .cht extension. Highlight that sample file so it's ready to load. Click Open to load the chartbook. Sierra Chart will bring the workspace into view, and you should see one or more charts appear, often with tabs along the bottom or top of the main window. That indicates the chartbook opened successfully. Give it a moment if you notice status messages along the bottom bar. Charts may populate historical data and apply studies as they load. Once it's complete, you can navigate through the charts using the tabs to understand the layout the sample provides. If you plan to customize this setup later, remember that changes aren't saved until you explicitly save the chartbook, so feel free to explore without worry. That's it. You've opened a Sierra Chart chartbook and are ready to work within a structured, multi-chart environment.